Happy birthday. Basement flooded. Looks like the sub pump failed. Yep. Alright, we just took this out the box and just examining it. I don't know if that was a return label or whatever, but I mean, it's already like brown stuff. You know, look like this one has been used already. I'm making note of this because if we have issues, look, you see the brown already in there. I'm making this note because if we have issues, I do not want to hear from them that we did this. The paper's ripped out, that's not normal. You see a little brown around here, look like it's a point of time wet or some sort. So yeah, we may have to take this baby boy back. We just gonna, how can you tell if that can fit that?
I'll open it up in the store.
No, you can't open up in the store. No,
whatever. Yes,
you
I
can't
can.
open in the store.
I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it, so I'm opening up in the store. I said, and this one says 1/2.
Look at this, it says 3/4.
Uh-huh.
Look at this, it's gonna tell you 1/2 and 3/4.
I said that, and I seen it. I didn't even look at the packaging. I looked at the nut.
Woke up to a flooded basement. It's flooded all around. Had to move some things around. Everybody bring their bathing suits. Got a surprise pool party at the Rhetty. Look at that. Got the water all over here too. Had to move things around. I always wanted a pool party though. See how that happened? On my birthday. Pool party. Bring your bathing suits. Welcome to my pool party. Welcome to my pool party. Welcome to my pool party. Party starts at 4 o'clock. Be here. The sump pump kind of choked on us, but y'all know I like to keep my hands dirty though. We're gonna get this right. I had to buy a new toy. It's that submersion sub pump joint. We're gonna throw him down up in this sub pump. And we're gonna get all this water out of here. All right, so we gotta take this piece. Screw it into this piece. Take our hose. Put the hose in there. Make sure this one is nice and tight. Yeah, that look good. Okay. We got hose going from there to there, through the pool, the water, to the outside. Alright. Next step, we're gonna grab the pump, submerge this baby in the water. Yeah, get in there. Get in there, yeah. Get in there. All right, guys, so I got my assistant, Crystal, here. She's gonna put the hose through. All right, your job is important, okay? You gotta steer the water, okay? You ready? Go ahead. All right, now, here we go. All right. Plug this baby up. There you go. How you looking out there? Good? All right, that's how we looking. Look at all that water coming out, y'all. Good job. Good job, assistant. Look at all that water. Look at it flowing. Get out my house, water. It's official. We draining it out. basement window. Had to add another extension. And we out to the street. Get out my house. Right, let's see. Look at that. Baby did a thing. Look, almost splashy, splashy. Yeah, yeah. Here we got a new toy. Huh? Yeah. Can't wait to play with that, right? You can't wait to play with our new toy?
Yeah.
Huh? We always ready, you heard? New toy. Yeah, that rigid. The water vacuum.
Yes.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
Come on now. We gotta get this in the house. Come on. Where's your muscles? You can't have a Tiger jersey on and not be strong.
I am.
All right, good job. Put it down. What else Tim's good for? I call it the Tim Swiffer. Yeah. You don't need no mop. No mop. So all you need is Tim's. Get up in the corners. See that? You don't need no mop. Flood where? Huh? They said flood where? Look at that. We all good in here. Look at that. Look at that. No splashy, splashy. Look at that. No splashy, splashy. Beast, I'm telling y'all. No splashy, splashy. No pool. And it looks like a rat. You hear that sound? Sound of a rat. These hands, that pump, these 10.